Hello there, happy Saturday. Thanks for logging on to WXYZ.com. I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Denise Isaac. Waking up to a few clouds around here, possible flurries, mostly off Lake Erie and Lake St. Clair with a wind out of the east, but most of us expect it to stay dry throughout the day. We are expecting clouds to be on the increase, so just keep that in mind. Not as sunny as yesterday. And this morning we're starting out on the cold side once again. Temperatures are in the 20s by 9 a.m. 29, warming up to 38 degrees come 1 p.m. Our high today will be 39 across Metro Detroit. It is chilly. It is below average for this time of the year. Temperatures running anywhere between 5 to 15 degrees below average. Sunset happening at 5:15 p.m. And after that, we'll have more clouds around here and temperatures pretty much staying steady in the mid-30s throughout the night. So here we go. We take a look at what's happening around lunchtime or heading to a watch party to watch some football games, or pretty much just heading out and about. We're expecting clouds to be on the increase, but as I mentioned, today stays dry, so that's certainly wonderful news. But don't expect the sunshine to keep you warm like it did yesterday. So today may feel a little bit on the cooler side because we won't have that factor of rays of sunshine or even vitamin D. Come dinner time, we're looking at few flurries to our west. That cell will transition over Livingston, northern Oakland, and then by tomorrow morning it is a sloppy mix. We're looking at a mixture of sleet, snow, and then in the afternoon transition into all rain. So overnight we're expecting that sleet snow mix, temperature near 20 degrees. Near 30 degrees, sorry. By tomorrow, we're looking at a high of 41 with a 40% chance for showers if you're headed to the Lions game. Tailgating early, keep that in mind. By Monday, 45 degrees, partly sunny conditions. And at least we warm up come midweek. We're looking at highs near 50.